Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I have a new recipe for you. I am going to show you how to make these beautiful, golden, delicious Ghana style pancakes. Now these pancakes are very similar to crepes. The only difference is we use evaporated milk instead of whole milk, and they're so good. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have evaporated milk, grated nutmeg, salt, melted unsalted butter, egg, vanilla extract, plain flour. You can certainly use all-purpose flour. I have sugar, water, and for frying I'll be using vegetable oil. As always, all ingredients including measurements will be in the description box below. I'm going to use my smoothie maker to mix my pancake batter. I find this way a lot easier. Alternatively, you can use the traditional bowl and whisk method until you get the same consistency. If you don't have a smoothie maker, I'm going to add all the ingredients in my smoothie blender. I'm now going to cover and I'll blend the ingredients for 1 minute. I'm just going to open my blender so you can see the consistency of the pancake batter. And as you can see, the pancake batter is very light. I'm making Ghana pancakes, and Ghana pancake is like crepes. So ensure that your batter is light. Time to fry the pancakes. I have placed the frying pan on my fire and I'm going to allow the frying pan to come to heat. Once it's hot, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil, and next I will swirl the oil around just to ensure that the pan is covered in the oil. Now I'm going to scoop 1 ladle of the pancake batter into my pan, and next what I am going to do is I will just tilt the pan around just to spread the batter in the pan. Next, allow the pancake to fry on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. You will know the pancake is ready for you to turn because the top part of the pancake will be dry. As you can see, mine is dry. So now I'm going to flip it over and allow the opposite side to also fry for 1 to 2 minutes on low heat. I'm just going to remove the pancake and I'll set this aside, but before I do that, I have flipped it over so you can see how beautiful this Ghana pancake is looking right now. I'm now going to continue frying the pancakes by repeating the steps until all my pancake batter is finished. and the pancakes are ready. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can style your pancake. So first, flip your pancake over and literally just fold and fold, and then you end up with a long roll. So this is one way. The second way that you can style your pancake is literally picking one end, folding over, and then folding the other side over. So I'm going to show you one more time. So this is the first one. So the other one again, flip it over so you have the beautiful side, and literally just fold and fold, and that's it. You have 2 ways that you can style your pancake. I decided to go for this way of styling the pancake, and next what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sprinkle some icing sugar, and the Ghana pancake will be ready to serve. You can enjoy this with some fruits, some ice cream, maple syrup, some cream. It's entirely up to you. Guys, the pancakes are ready. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and please click that notification bell which will notify you whenever I post new videos. Enjoy your pancake, and I'll see you next time. Bye.